next one is Slytherin. It is a chocolate buttercream swirl on top and a chocolate sugar cookie blend. I literally just had to memorize it. I really hope I got it right. And then the Slytherin crust on top. This is what she looks like. I think it's like a vanilla. It said green buttercream, which I'm assuming they mean like a vanilla buttercream that's been colored green. And then the chocolate buttercream is right there. And it looks like, I see sugar crystals, so it's like a cookie crumble with sugar in it. I know what fondant tastes like, so I'm not going to eat this one again. And this Krispy Kreme made like really like a neat donuts. I wouldn't say there's too much of like a real distinct flavor with this one. Let's just try the chocolate by itself. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's anything like fantastic, which is kind of like a bummer. The last one we have to try is Gryffindor.